Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of luxury fashion and fragrance. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Nina Ricci, Nina Ricci, Ni, Na, Ri, Chi, Nina Ricci. Nina Ricci is celebrated for its iconic pieces such as delicate dresses, elegant ready-to-wear collections, and timeless perfumes like the famous L'air du Temps. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Nina Ricci, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.